In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high-quality songs with Suno AI and take them from production to promotion, ensuring you're ready to share your musical creations with the world. Let's dive right in with the first part of the process, creating high-quality songs. Suno AI is an incredible tool that enables you to compose music with the help of artificial intelligence. If you're new to the platform, you'll want to start by exploring its features and learning how they cater to your specific style or genre. Take your time to experiment with different sounds and combinations. The beauty of Suno AI is that it allows you to tweak and adjust musical elements until you're satisfied with the final composition. This exploration not only makes your music sound polished but also unique, tapping into the platform's wide array of capabilities. Once you have your track ready and sounding just right, it's time to move on to exporting your music. Suno AI offers options to export your tracks for commercial use, which is a key step if you're planning to distribute your music more broadly or sell it. Ensure you're selecting the right format for your needs. Often a high-quality WAV or MP3 file will do just fine. Pay attention to licensing terms provided by Suno AI to make sure your export is compliant with business intentions, especially if your plans include selling or publicly offering your creations. With your song exported, the opportunity arises to upload your music to streaming platforms or sell it via online stores. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music are great starting points to reach new listeners and gain recognition. Setting up your artist profile and following each platform's guidelines will make your upload smoother and more professional. Consider utilizing online stores like Bandcamp or even creating a simple website to directly sell your music to fans, offering options like exclusive tracks or merchandise to boost your income. Promotion is key to getting your music heard, and social media is your stage. Promote your work across all platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, to engage with your audience and attract new followers. Sharing the creative process, teasing your tracks, and interacting with your fans are all vital parts of building a community around your music. Collaborating with influencers or fellow musicians can expand your reach even further, drawing in